Every gardener knows the thrill of planting seeds. It's a promise of new life and bountiful harvests. But what happens when that promise goes unfulfilled? You've sown your seeds with care, watered them diligently, and waited patiently. Yet, nothing emerges from the soil. It's a frustrating experience we've all faced. Today, we're diving deep into the most common culprits behind germination failure. We'll uncover the top 7 mistakes that prevent your seeds from sprouting. Understanding these pitfalls is the first step to a successful gardening season. One of the most frequent errors is planting seeds at the wrong depth. Each seed has specific requirements for how deep it needs to be buried. Too shallow, and it might dry out or be eaten by pests. Too deep, and the tiny seedling might not have enough energy to push through the soil. Always check your seed packet for recommended planting depths. A general rule of thumb is to plant seeds at a depth 2 to 3 times their diameter. Seeds need consistent moisture to germinate. They absorb water, which triggers the internal processes for growth. However, there's a fine line between moist and waterlogged. Too much water can suffocate the seed, leading to rot and fungal issues. Conversely, if the soil dries out even once during germination, the process can halt permanently. Use a spray bottle or bottom watering to maintain even moisture. Temperature is a critical factor for successful germination. Every seed species has an optimal temperature range for sprouting. If the soil is too cold, the seed may remain dormant or rot. If it's too hot, the seed's delicate internal structures can be damaged. Research the ideal temperature for your specific seeds. Seedling heat mats can be incredibly helpful for maintaining consistent warmth. The viability of your seeds directly impacts their ability to sprout. Old seeds often have a significantly reduced germination rate. Seeds that were improperly stored can also lose their vitality quickly. Always purchase seeds from reputable sources and check the packed-for date. Store your unused seeds in a cool, dry, and dark place to preserve their viability for longer. A simple germination test can confirm if older seeds are still good. While many seeds germinate in darkness, some actually require light to sprout. Others need darkness. After germination, almost all seedlings need adequate light to grow strong. Failing to provide the correct light conditions can prevent sprouting or lead to leggy, weak seedlings. Read your seed packets carefully for light requirements. Once sprouted, ensure seedlings receive 12-16 hours of bright, indirect light daily. The soil or growing medium you use plays a vital role. Heavy, compacted garden soil can prevent delicate seedlings from pushing through. It can also retain too much water, leading to rot. Conversely, a medium that drains too quickly might not hold enough moisture. Use a sterile, lightweight seed starting mix. These mixes provide the ideal balance of aeration, moisture retention, and nutrients for young seedlings. Germination times vary wildly between different plant species. Some seeds sprout in a few days, while others can take weeks or even months. Discarding your seed trays too early is a common mistake. Always consult your seed packet for the expected germination window. If you followed all the other steps correctly, sometimes all that's needed is a little more time. Continue to provide consistent care and wait patiently. Understanding these 7 common germination mistakes can transform your gardening success. From planting depth to patience, each factor plays a crucial role in bringing your seeds to life. Don't let past failures discourage you. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing for more gardening insights. Happy planting, and may your garden be evergreen.